Real quick, we have the notion of tokens. I want to talk about that.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, tokens here.
Yeah, usage. That's a big question we get a lot right now.
Let's go right to the usage here.
Hmm.
The value-based consumption here, the lower value, lower cost. These are model insights, 1 to 10
Yeah.
tokens. How much does my design weigh? How many parts in this assembly? It's just
Could you
counting,
make
doing
it?
some.
Yeah, we get these questions a lot right now. How do I track usage? How do I see what tokens I'm using?
Yeah. So the moderate value costs are, the things that you're probably going to be more interested in. Convert this imported body to a parametric part. It's like 10 to 100 of token. Generate a part drawing from this part, tens, 200s of tokens. And then if you're going to go into the thousands of tokens, then you can do some of that structural design and analysis. And we're talking about that. Convert this imported body to a parametric part, and then generate the drawing for this really complex type assembly. That's gonna come. It's gonna be here before you know it. But right now we're in the humble stage of create a drawing for the simplest things and go from there.
Yeah, and can you go back to the slide right before that, actually? I wanted to
Sure.
just point something out about how many you actually get. So there should be one right before this. Yeah, this one. So this kind of shows you with when you buy SolidWorks or with your if your active subscription, you're being given tokens now at this point. So you can always buy more tokens. Each user gets 2,100 of the regular tokens where you can use them on the drawing creation, things like that. So that's kind of what you're seeing here. You can share tokens across your tenant. So everybody that works in your company, you can share some of certain type of tokens. And then they don't, as I understand it right now, I don't think they roll over. So you do want to use them each year. And then when you renew your license, you renew your subscription every year, you get a certain number of new tokens. And these are throttled down a lot right now, I believe, where you're being like if you generate a drawing it uses a lot less tokens because this is also new. So SolidWorks is kind of giving everyone a lot more usage than maybe they will have allow one day. But since they want people to use them, we want people to test them, then it's not going to burn that many tokens right now.
And the reason for this is because the AI business model requires active compute resources to do this. And you're basically paying for the server to process these requests through your tokens.
Mhm.
And that's going to be a very common model moving forward with pretty much all of these AI platforms. So just get
Yeah.
used to it.
And a lot of them want you to try it out. And we want to give you a lot of tokens and not just burn through everything right away as you experiment and actually see what it'll do first.
Yeah, correct. So if you have SOLIDWORKS design and 3D Experience platform for unified data, then you are basically entitled to these tools today. If you don't know what you're entitled to, let us know. We will figure that out and we will get you the right things. The good news is that if you aren't entitled to these tools through your current SOLIDWORKS subscription, even if it's like a current subscription, then it's a pretty easy uplift, small cost to get you there.
Mhm. Yeah, and ask us too if you don't see these add-ins or you don't see this access working right now. Sometimes I've seen lately where we just need to do a reinstall. It might be time. I mean, every year I do a full uninstall and a reinstall anyway, just to know that I've cleared out any old remnants in my registry. So you might not see them perfectly. We just need to do a reinstall or something like that. So let us know.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So get on the latest release of SOLIDWORKS Design. This is how you get access to these tools. Then you get access to cloud services, and then you can use those tools and give us your feedback. That's what we would love to
Yeah.
hear because we're not going to sit here and say that we are experts at this. That's something that I want you to really understand. We're getting better at this. We're on the cusp, just like everyone else, trying to understand these and understand the use cases. And the more feedback we can get from you for positive use cases, then that's great. And we can just create a community around that information. So that's our webinar. I know we've kind of gone over by a couple minutes that I usually like to cut it at 45 minutes, but is there anyone, whoops, is
Mhm.
there anyone who has any questions for us? If there are, you can pose it in the
Yeah.
chat in the Zoom webinar.
Or call us anytime.
Yeah, and if you're
We'll-
shy
yeah.
and don't want to raise your hand, that's fine. Call us and we'll help you answer all of these questions. Okay, so if there's no more questions, then we will cap it at that. I'd like to thank you all for attending. Of course, this is your valuable time, and we appreciate it spending it with us. So thank you, and we hope to see you on the next one.
All right. Thanks.